Dear students, our next lesson is light and vision. First of all, we are going to learn about the things we require to see. We need both light and healthy eye for seeing an object. There are objects that emit light. We call these objects as sources of light. Sun is our basic source of light. Stars, lighted candles, lighted bulbs, lighted lamps are some other examples for sources of light. Objects that emit their own light are known as luminous objects. Luminous objects are two types according to the way they produce light. Luminous objects that produce light by natural means are known as natural luminous objects. Sun, stars, firefly, glowworm, glowing mushrooms are some examples for natural luminous objects. Luminous objects that produce light by artificial means are known as artificial luminous objects. Lighted candles, lighted bulbs, a lighted torch can be considered as artificial luminous objects. Objects that do not emit light by their own are known as non-luminous objects. Moon, planets, trees, houses, pebbles are some examples for non-luminous objects. Moon is a non-luminous object, but it is illuminated from sun's light. We see things because objects reflect light into our eyes. We see either create their own light or reflect light. The objects that create their own light are sun, lighted bulbs. We can see these things. And the objects like plants, books are seen as a result of reflecting light. The objects like books, houses, chairs are seen as a result of reflection of light. The light that comes from any source of light strikes these objects, get reflected and come back to our eyes. As a result, we can see these objects. Now we are going to do activity 5.3 to learn about the transmission of light through different objects. Once we have completed this activity, we can see the candle flame is observed differently when we observe the flame through various materials. Once the activity is done, it is very clear that the image of the candle flame is not same all the time. Once the activity is done, it is very clear that the nature of the candle flame is not same when we observe it through different substances. This difference is caused due to the way of light travels through different materials. Through some objects, light travels very well. We call these objects as transparent objects. Colorless polythene, pure water, colorless designless glass are some examples for transparent objects. Through some other objects, light doesn't travel very well. Only some amount of light rays go through these objects. We call these objects as translucent objects. Decorated glass, oil papers, cellophane papers are some examples for translucent objects. None of the light rays are passing through some other objects. We call these objects as opaque objects. Wood, black drawing papers, pieces of newspapers, metal sheets are some examples for opaque objects. Once you see this slide, you can see the way of light passing through transparent, translucent and opaque materials and the nature of the image. We can see the image very clearly once we observe through transparent objects. A blurred image is seen once observing through a translucent object, and nothing is seen once we observe through an opaque object.